out another buffet. And if I don't put it out, they're up there looking at me, what's going on there?
Where'd it go?
Yeah. But I had Orioles this year, and Kay had more of them than I did. Did I tell you about that one?
You told me that Kay had them, and she was describing it to you and didn't know what it was.
And I told her what it was. And then I took my feeder down to her, and
Because you have to have a special feeder.
well, they like orange. You see that hummingbirds, they like just plain old sugar water. And Orioles will eat that too, but they like orange flavored. And then they like orange slices. So after I took my feeder to Kay, I noticed I had a couple of Orioles around here. I put my little flat tray, I got one like hanging a tree, on the rail here. And put me some orange slices in it. And I took the bottom tray off of a hummingbird feeder and filled it with orange juice, put that in the middle of the box. And Orioles like orange juice too.
Really? And what kind of container did you put in? One of these?
Well, I took the red thing off the bottom and just
Okay.
a little bowl like.
Okay.
And then I had that tray like it's out there and I hang in that tree. Little flat box like, you see
Yeah,
that?
yeah.
I got an extra one of those. I just set that on the rail, sliced oranges and put in it, and then put the
Orange juice.
red container in the middle with orange juice.
Really?
My Orioles just really went after it.
Interesting.
And I had rose-breasted grosbeak, which I had them 2 years ago. Well, I had them back this year, and they eat a little bit of orange too. But then indigo bunting, a little small blue. There's a deep blue, they look black. I had 20 of them on the rail here one time. Of course, I always have my cardinals. My hummingbirds this year nested in my bluebird house out there. I told you about
Yeah,
that.
you told me about that. You went in there to clean it out.
Yeah, I come in and check on my bluebirds first thing I got here. Nest in there with moss. And I said, that's not bluebird nest. I tore that thing out. 3 days later, it built back. And then I figured out it was hummingbirds. Now, how them little fellas pick up the moss, I don't know.
Wish you were here.
And then even a little piece
Doing
of carpet.
good.
they
We're
had.
sitting out in the gazebo and
you
while watching
taking,
all the birds fly
video?
around, and Grandpa's telling
Mine does
stories
that
about
too.
his birds and having a bud